Imagine you're the first to fall asleep at the sleepover, and when you wake up, you discover you've got a new face. That's what this procedure does. The face transplant procedure is a complex three-part surgery. It began with the donor surgery, where the entire scalp, face, eyelids, ears, and skeletal subunits were carefully dissected from the donor. An incision was made from the top of the head, extending down around the neck to preserve major blood vessels and nerves. The recipient surgery followed, involving the removal of scarred tissue and preparation of the recipient's face to receive the new tissue. The final step, the allograft inset, involved the meticulous transfer of the donor face to the recipient. This included connecting bones, nerves for sensation, and blood vessels to ensure vitality of the transplanted tissue. The surgery aimed to restore the recipient's facial functions and aesthetics, with attention to detail in redraping the skin and aligning the facial structures to achieve the best possible outcome.